Grade 7 Physics, Chapter 15, Light. Module 1. At the end of this module, you will be able to prove that light travels along a straight line. To define reflection of light. Light travels along a straight line. You may have seen a beam of sunlight when it enters a room through a narrow opening or a hole. You may have also seen beams of light from the headlamps of scooters, cars, and engines of trains. Similarly, a beam of light can be seen from a torch. Some of you may have seen a beam of searchlight from a lighthouse or from an airport tower. What do these experiences suggest? Yes, light travels along a straight line. Let us do an activity to find or to prove that light travels along a straight line. In this experiment, looking at a candle through a straight and a bent pipe. Whenever we look through a straight rubber tube, you can see the candle flame clearly. But when we look through a bent rubber tube, you cannot see the candle clearly. This proves that light travels along a straight line. When we look through a straight tube, the person is able to see the light of the candle. But if we are using a bent tube, the person not able to see the light of the candle. Now, reflection of light. One way to change the direction of light is let it fall on a shiny surface. For example, a shining stainless steel plate or a shining steel spoon can change the direction of light. The surface of water can also act like a mirror and change the path of light. Have you ever seen the reflection of trees or buildings in water? Any polished or a shiny surface can act as a mirror. What happens when light falls on a mirror? Yes, its direction can be changed. The change in the direction of light by a smooth shiny surface like mirror is called reflection of light. Due to reflection, images are formed. In this module, you have learned about reflection of light and light travels along a straight line.